Create the ultimate wall for collaboration and creativity. Hello, and welcome to Transcribe Dry Erase Solutions, where ideas are born. Here at Transcribe, we have developed a unique, modern, and cost-effective way to create colorful magnetic dry erase writing walls. Today we are going to take a look at how easy it is to install our one dry erase system. Step 1. First, roll quality wall covering primer onto the area to be covered. Then apply adhesive over the cured primer. Cut the 54-inch wide magnetic wall covering base to size and take it to the wall. Smooth out any air bubbles. All seams should be carefully cut to ensure they are tight. Step 2. Now paint the installed wall covering. Roll on 1 to 2 coats of any color flat latex paint and primer in one. This can be done without any need to spackle seams, as the paint itself will fill in the seams for a smooth appearance. Then leave it for 24 hours to allow paint to fully cure. Step 3. After 24 hours, roll our clear dry erase coating over the painted wall covering. One coat is enough and saves you time and money as compared to other dry erase products. Finally, wait 5 days and then begin using your one dry erase system wall. Why us? Because we're different. Our 54-inch wide wall covering base is almost twice the width of other products available in the market. Forget priming the magnetic wall covering base. Ours is ready to paint. No mixing, no 2 cans. Unlike others, our clear dry erase coating is a one-part system. Eco-friendly, and our leftover coating can be reused. Low VOC coating with virtually no odor is suitable for application in occupied spaces. See how we make it easy.